And we are back. Welcome back, everyone. Just wanted to show you the results of the trade that we were looking at yesterday. This was a perfect trade idea on gold. As you can see, price did respect this key level over here. We were expecting price to reject this level and expecting price to actually melt. And as you can see, exactly as predicted, exactly how I mentioned in the previous video. Welcome back, everyone. Pedro here with another video. I want to welcome you guys to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at gold. We're going to do a nice breakdown, basically just do a nice analysis on what I'm looking at and where I could expect gold to be heading. Let's get started with this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and comment below. I love hearing from you guys. With that being said, let's dive in. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the gold right now. As you guys can see, this is the 4-hour chart. So basically right now what I'm looking at for gold, we did see this bullish momentum, price creating higher highs and higher lows. Now I am expecting gold to pull back. I'm expecting gold to at least come to this key level over here. The reason why I feel this area is because this area it has a lot of key significant touch points. You can see that price has support, created support over here as well, resistance over here, resistance here. This to me is like a fake out and then a little bit of support there as well. So I can definitely expect price to come back down to this area. I wouldn't quite say this area because it's a little bit of just like ranging around this zone. I mean, we could see price maybe struggle for a bit here, but once price breaks this area over here, we can definitely expect price to come down to these levels over here. Now, with that being said, in terms of potential trade opportunities, if we go down to the 30-minute, we can definitely see that price did form some sort of a wedge here and broke to the downside. We are seeing also very, very bearish candle sentiment right now. You can see these super bearish candles. So we can definitely expect price to continue to the downside. Lots of bearish pressure, no sense of bullishness whatsoever in the market right now. So we can definitely expect price to continue downwards. I will be giving you guys an update on this trade as well, but just wanted to show you the breakdown. It's pretty straightforward. Price has come to this area of significance on the 4-hour. And we can see that price has respected this key level here at the top, and we can see resistance, support, resistance, and then resistance, and now it's creating another top. If price does respect this area here, which it is, we can definitely expect price to continue downwards and exhaust a bit and get a little bit of a break and pull back. So this opportunity alone is over almost 200 pips. So yeah, lots of opportunities, guys, to make some great gains, great profits. So just wanted to show you guys this awesome breakdown. And we are back. Welcome back, everyone. A day later exactly. Just wanted to show you the results of the trade that we were looking at yesterday. This was a perfect trade idea on gold. So as you can see, price did respect this key level over here. We were expecting price to reject this level over here and expecting price to actually melt. And as you can see, exactly as predicted, exactly how I mentioned in the previous video, that price was going to reject this key level. And so we were expecting gold to go down in price and potentially come to these areas over here, this key level within this section here, and price did come exactly as predicted. And so really awesome opportunity that we had yesterday to get in here on sells. And so yeah, I explained to you guys the basics of the opportunities that you can see in the market. Now it's totally up to you how you want to take it and approach the markets, but this is a great example of how you're able to take advantage of market structure, take advantage of basic, just basic price action to be able to make these amazing gains. So yeah, we saw this nice rejection. Now we could expect price to consolidate. We are seeing weakness in the market, so there's no bullish sentiment. I don't see any bullish momentum. So we can definitely either expect price to continue downwards and retest these levels here. And, if price does break these levels, we can definitely expect gold to go down further. But as of right now, I'm just going to stay out of gold. But this was an awesome turnout, guys. Perfect trade opportunity here that we had yesterday. Literally a day later, price melted exactly as we expected. So great turnout. Super excited how this trade turned out, guys. Lots of money was made here. And so, yeah, thanks so much for all the support, guys. Make sure you subscribe below. As I post weekly videos, I post videos every single week. And make sure you stay tuned for the coming content. So appreciate all the support, and I will catch you guys until next time. Bye for now.